How to reset call settings on Samsung. First, open Settings on your Samsung phone. Now scroll down and tap Apps. After that, tap the search bar at the top and search for Phone. Open the Phone app, then tap Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. If you want to fully reset the phone app settings, tap Clear Data and confirm it. Next method, go back to Settings, then scroll down and tap General Management. Now tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings and confirm it. This will reset your network-related call settings like mobile data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connections. Also, make sure to check airplane mode. It should be off. If it is on, turn it off to make calls properly. That's it. This is how you can reset call settings on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.